What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Gladius 3 Wireless Aimpoint Edition. That's right. This is the updated Gladius 3 wireless mouse that has the new Aimpoint sensor, optical sensor by Asus. It gives you a resolution of 36,000 dpi, so extremely sensitive. Me personally, I don't need anything over 6,000 dpi. But I mean, I'm sure there's some aficionados out there who really wants a very sensitive mouse. So Asus has this on their Aimpoint mouse, on the Gladius 3 mouse, and on their Keras mouse, right? They did a re-release of the Gladius 3 and the Keras in order to add that new Aimpoint optical sensor feature, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a look around. The reasoning for me choosing this was because I like the actual color design. Is to go with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2023 edition. I paid $79.99 for this from Amazon.com, right? So the retail price is $99.99. I got $20 off and got it for $80 from Amazon.com. All right. All right, so go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. Let's take a look at the box. All right, so on the front, we have Good Design Award 2021, Red Dot Winner 2021. Obviously, it's not this exact version. It is the earlier version of this that got those awards. 2.4 gigahertz wireless, as well as Bluetooth. It says Speed Nova wireless technology, Asus Aura Sync. All right, and ROG Gladius 3 wireless Aimpoint. On this side, there are some specifications, your connectivity, track, and responsiveness. All right, your connectivity is wired RF 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth BLE. Tracking is 36,000 DPI, 650 IPS, and 50 grams acceleration. All right, then you have your system requirements, your package contents, etc. All right, on this side is just ROG Gladius 3 wireless Aimpoint. On the back, we get some more insight in regards to the mouse features itself. So you have the ROG Aimpoint 36,000 DPI optical sensor, ROG micro switches with 70 million click durability, lightweight 79 gram design, outstanding 119-hour battery life, 100% Teflon feet, compatible with 3-pin mechanical and 5-pin optical micro switches, ROG mouse grip tape, and RGB illuminated ROG logo with R Sync. This is the best feature here because this is what speeds up your computer, laptop, or PC. All right. Okay, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Here's the seal here at the bottom, some tape. Let's go ahead and cut that. All right. Okay. All right, so interesting little brown cardboard box in here. Not looking very fancy once you open it up, and it just opens up like a reveal, almost like a present or something, right? Okay, so here's the mouse. Well, doesn't feel like it's a premium wrap, but I mean, I could always keep the mouse in here for protection. Doesn't really come with a case like my Chakram X Origin did, but okay, so here on the bottom we have the sensor, right? The Aimpoint sensor. We have your feet right here. Tucked in right here is your wireless receiver. Up top, you can switch it over to wireless to the right. Keep it in the middle for wired, and put it over to the left for Bluetooth. This button right here, this is a pairing button right here. Over here, your right and left buttons. Or your back and forward buttons, depending on what you configure it to be. There's a nice little grip right here on the sides, right, on both sides. It says ROG over here. At the top, you have your mouse wheel and mouse click, center click, right click, left click. And there's another button up here, okay? And here's your Moonlight White design. Over here is where you get your RGB, 16.8 million colors, right? And it's also compatible with Aura Sync. All right. Now, I was going to get the Keras initially to go with the ROG Zephyrus G14, but I did not like how it looked. It looked kind of ugly from the top. I don't know. I think this looks like a sculpted piece of artwork. The only thing that I heard a lot of people complain about, and what I complained about when I had the original Gladius, was that these back and forward or left and right buttons, right, depending on how you configure it, were too high up, right, that you had to go like this. If your hand is naturally resting like this, you'd have to move, give some effort to move up to do your back and forward. Let me see. I think it's okay. They might have made some adjustments because it feels lighter and smaller than the regular um, one that I had. Feels extremely light, and it does feel like a little small, a little more compact than the regular Gladius 3 wireless. So they may have compacted over here as well, because it doesn't feel like this far travel for me to touch these buttons. So I think this is the winner right here. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Here's the box right here. Let's see what we got. Oh, it just comes right out. Okay, stick your finger in here. Pull up. All right, so everything's in cardboard. All right, here is our. Interesting. Here is our USB Type A to Type C with a converter, C to A right here, or A to C. I like the colorway. It's the gray that works with the accented gray on here. Okay, nice quality braided cable, right? And has your ROG logo on it right here. Another ROG logo on here. All right, your USB symbol right here. Okay, it's a nice little interesting envelope. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is so you can mess around with the switches inside. Cool. Oh, it actually comes with some too. Look at that. Some mechanical switches. Okay. All right, that's cool. Not that I would use it, but it's nice to know that that's there. Okay. Let's move that out the way. Okay, then we have this right here, this cardboard envelope, and it has your documentation, I'm sure. Whoops. Interesting. Okay. Here's your In Search of Incredible warranty card. Here's your ROG Gladius 3 wireless Aimpoint wireless optical mouse. I think this is a quick start guide. Yep, quick start guide right there. And then stickers. See, I was looking for stickers, and the Cetra True Wireless box wasn't there, but this definitely has some nice stickers. And it's interesting because I'm probably not going to use any of these stickers anyway. It's just nice to know that they put some thought in to share it with us. And I don't know what this is. So if you know what this is in the comments, let me know, because I'm definitely not going to read these instruction guides. Let me know in the comments below if you know what this is. All right? All right, so nice little bit of documentation and some stickers. It looks like, again, maybe they're trying to be eco-friendly by going this cardboard route like this and not actually painting it or making it part of cardboard. But, it's all good. Let's put that back. Let's put this back. All right. All right. So, tuck that away. Let me just keep these parts over here. So that's that. So hope you guys enjoyed the Asus ROG Gladius 3 wireless Aimpoint mouse. All right. This goes along again with the colorway Moonlight White. It goes along with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2023 edition. And the other little gem I unboxed as well, which is the True Wireless headphones. And we're going to pair it alongside the Zephyrus G14. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you share the video everywhere. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for your support. See you in the next video. Peace.